Hi guys, my name is David. I'm from Patriot Outdoors and welcome to a featured build of the month video. And with hunting season around the corner, we thought let's let the fierce rivals shine once again. So sit back as we take a quick dive into this rifle. So as everyone knows, the whole theme of fierce is lightweight hunting setups with competition grade precision. So as I said previously, with hunting season around the corner, we wanted to go for something as light as possible. So as light, as accurate, and as versatile as possible. So if we start off at the front end of this rifle, we decided to mount a Warrior medium silencer on this rifle. You've got a 24-inch carbon fiber wrap barrel. It is a M24 contour barrel. And the specific barrel has a 1 in 8 twist and it is chambered in 6.5 PRC. Then the chassis we decided to go with is the MPA Ultra Light chassis, and definitely super light. You've got nice ergonomics at the back, so you can adjust your length of pull. You can also adjust your cheek piece. Yet again, with MPA chassis bringing forth a really nice texture on the cheek piece. You have an AR-15 style grip. You've got a 10-round magazine. We decided to go a little bit over the top. Then when we come back to the Fierce, to the Fierce rifle, the specific Fierce, the model of this Fierce is a CT rival. So the CT rival, as mentioned before, for the people who don't know, the CT rival is a titanium action with a titanium hand lap liner in a carbon fiber wrap barrel configuration. So yet again, ultra light, ultra durable, ultra strong. The trigger that is running on all of the Fierce rifles as they come straight from the factory is the Bixen Annie Dakota trigger, and we played a little bit with this one. So trigger breakage is about, I would say, about 1.8 pounds, more or less. To bring this whole setup together, we put a Atlas bipod on here, and with regards to glass, we went with the Element Nexus Gen 1, which is a 5 to 20 magnification with a 50mm objective and a 30mm base tube. So my opinion of this whole setup is it is a really nice and versatile setup. I mean, it's more than light enough if you want to go for kilometers walk and stalk before you actually find the prey that you're going for. With the Arca rail at the bottom, as well as the Picatinny rail at the front, quick deployment is no issue. I mean, if you want to shoot it from a tripod, if you want to shoot it from laying down, if the conditions allow for it, you can do so, no problem. And what I mean with quick deployment is your balancing point on this rifle is exactly where it should be, a few inches in front of the mag well. So it's really versatile. It's not gonna tire you out as quickly. Now, with that said, in the specific caliber and choice, depending on the loads that you're running or your muzzle device that you're running as well, recoil is, I would say, is actually still going to be quite manageable. If you put a proper silencer on there, like something with the Warrior silencers that has an internal muzzle brake, like the majority of the other silencers out there, recoil isn't going to be so big of a problem. But with regards to the whole theme of lightweight hunting setups, I think this one definitely ticks off the box. And I mean, you've got an absolute pile driver with regards to the caliber of choice with 6.5 PRC. Right, guys, that was it for today's video. If you like content like this, please drop us a like below and subscribe to the channel. If you haven't followed our VIP newsletter yet, please do so. Sign up for the VIP newsletter. All the current promotions and sales, everything like that will be in there. And as always, have a great day, stay safe, and we will see you shortly.